shit's not focusing. Yo, what's good everybody? In today's video, we are back with the HHR SS. For those of you that don't know, this was my dad's car. A couple months ago, he ordered this upgraded intercooler piping kit from ZZPerformance, I should say. It's a thick intercooler, some good couplers. This overall is a good quality kit. I know a lot of people with the LNFs, the Cobalts, the HHRs and stuff, they really just rock out with ZZPerformance. So I'm hyped that I have the opportunity to do this to his car, get this going. I'll show you guys what I got. Like I said, it's pretty thick. I'm just mocking everything up. I think this is how it goes. I'm a Honda guy at heart, so this is news to me, all this LNF stuff. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do here because there's spots for it. I don't know which one I gotta tap into. So a little bit of backstory. I was installing the stage 2 or stage 1 GM 3-bar map sensors for this car for my dad, and I actually snapped this piece on the factory pipe, but on the factory pipe it's just plastic, so this is really nice. So I actually snapped that, created a bad boost leak, and I was like, yo, sorry dad, I don't know what to do. He's like, no, don't worry about it, I wanted to order this kit anyways. Ordered the kit. Got all the hardware laid out and everything. I did read up on it a little bit. There's not too much on these installs, but one of the things they said was the screws or the bolts for the intercooler don't go through, which I don't know why you would design something like that. I don't know. That's the only flaw I've heard about or seen about so far. Overall, this is a map extender. Looks really nice. The V-bands seem pretty nice. So yeah, let's go get this mocked up and throw it on, see how she does. Probably not going to record like much of the teardown process because it's kind of fairly simple. You just take your bumper off. We're going to be replacing this all the way down, and this charge pipe, as you can see, that I tried to fill Swift. This is where that nipple went that I broke. This charge pipe is a pain. If you've ever done it, you know. If not, don't ever do it. It's kind of windy out here, so I'm probably going to do a time lapse. That way you guys can't hear the wind. Throw some music over it. All right, so first things first, we got to take the bumper off. So I got all the old stuff off. Yeah, it was a bit rigged, but that was one thing my dad was always good at. The man did stuff right when he had the right parts. Unfortunately, he didn't have the right parts to get this car running at the time. So, as you can tell, he used some stuff. The spray painted SS, he loved SS's. Never really had that many, but he loved them. This pipe's a pain. I'm telling you, if you're watching this, this is the charge pipe. I always drop the throttle body whenever I do this. It's so much easier. Yeah, that's all for the removal. Now we gotta get to installing it. It did start raining, so I'm gonna hold off a little bit. These L brackets that I come with, the bolts actually don't thread through here. I don't know why, but yeah, so we gotta drill these out before we go and install the intercooler. All right, just a little quick update. I got these drilled out a little bit. I don't have a drill press or anything, so I kind of just wung it. I got the charge pipe all assembled, so I have the block off plate on there since I'm running the factory map location. So I put the 2 set screws in there to block that off. I'm gonna put my map sensor right in there on. I gotta put this on the throttle body, put it all back together, and then throw the intercooler on, and it should be good to go. It's dark out and raining, so I will be back tomorrow when it's 60 and sunny with an update. So all right, so here's the update as promised. There she is. So I got a little crazy, you know, in touch with my artistic side. This is what my dad always went by, Mr. X. Whenever he painted cars, he would sign them somewhere. That's what he signed them as. So I figured I'd do a little tribute and throw some spray paint on there, because he had SS written on the old one, but So we got the ZZP elbow all the way to the turbo, ZZP upper intercooler pipe down to this coupler right here, and then that coupler to the intercooler. Big intercooler. Not gonna lie, these brackets were a pain, but there's an app sensor, which that reminds me I need to tighten that screw. There's the barbed fitting to the nipple that I broke on the old one. Double C-clamps to the throttle body, or V-bands to the throttle body. Oh yeah, here's an update for you. Blew my throttle body charge pipe off. I didn't even hit like 15 pounds. So here's what happened. I got it all repaired already, but this throttle body V-band, the pipe, I had it routed weird because I connected to the intercooler first, just so I could have some wiggle room on the throttle body. Yeah, bad idea. Do it the other way around. Yeah, let's continue our test drive. Actually make it more than 5 minutes. Oh man, it feels good. This thing's actually pulling very well for once because I don't have a boost leak. Honestly, great. She's pulling good. Feels good. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As always, like, comment, subscribe. I'm happy I get to build this for my dad. So yeah, peace.